If you were asking yourself how to delete multiple contacts on iPhone, any of the following solutions is the answer. Way 1. How to delete multiple contacts on iPhone from computer. Open System Preferences, iCloud. Sign in with your iPhone's Apple ID. Check Contacts box. Open Contacts app. Select Contacts CM'd, plus click. Right-click, delete. Visit iCloud.com. Utilize Apple ID that you use on iPhone to log into iCloud. Select Contacts. Hold down on Control and then click on the contacts that you intend to delete. Click on the Delete key present on your keyboard. Way 2. How to mass delete contacts on iPhone using iCloud. Go to iCloud.com. Log in with Apple ID. Choose Contacts. Control-click to select Contacts. Click Settings bottom left. Select Delete. Confirm when prompted. Way 3. How to bulk delete contacts on iPhone from Google. On your iPhone, open Contacts, Google.com. Contact list will appear. Click on the boxes next to the contacts that you want to delete. Click on the 3 dots above and select Delete from the drop-down menu and then confirm decision. Way 4. How to delete more than one contact on iPhone with Group app. Get Groups app on iPhone. Grant contacts access. Pick all contacts in groups. Tap circles by contacts to delete. Choose Action, Delete. Confirm in pop-up box. Way 5. How to delete multiple contacts on iPhone with Assistant for iOS. Mobikin Assistant for iOS is the top choice at the moment because it can delete multiple contacts on iPhone 6, 6s, 8x, 11, 12, 13, 14 in a super fast manner, while ensuring that the process is safe from any issue. How to bulk delete contacts on iPhone via Assistant for iOS. Step 1. Download, install, and then launch Mobikin Assistant for iOS on your computer. Link your iPhone to your computer by using a USB cable. Step 2. Click on Trust on your device to authorize connection, and then click on Continue. Step 3. On the left menu, click on Contacts. Click on the checkboxes next to the contacts you want to delete. Click on the Delete option present on the top menu.